Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out Near Protocol's price chart. And unfortunately, like we talked about it in the previous video, we did get our move down, and yes, I believe we have taken all the lows in here. However, I think you need to be right now a bit careful in Near Protocol. Why is that? Let's go around here. You see, in an ABC zigzag, if you want to have a decent target for your C leg, you need to pay attention to the retrace for wave B. Okay, this is kind of the key. In case that you see a retrace to about the 61.8% level, that is actually giving you a good idea for what the target for your C leg it's gonna be, and it's somewhere around the 161.8% of the Fibonacci extension level all the way down here. Now, why is this so important? Let's go on the live chart and see what is going on, and why do I believe right now we need to be a bit more patient in Near Protocol and not jump into any unnecessary bullish conclusion. Let's do a quick Fibonacci analysis. As you can see, we got our rejection in here right around the 61.8% level, and assuming that we are having an ABC zigzag, what's the target for our C leg? You know it, the 1.618 of extension, and there we go. Where is that level? It's right in here, about $2.3. Did we reach to about here? The answer is absolutely not. So from my point of view right now, I think we need to be a bit patient because this move down might continue a little bit more. Also, in an ABC zigzag, sub waves are going to be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down into a correction for wave B, maybe ABC, maybe WXY, maybe even a triangle, not important, and yet another 5 wave down into your C leg. Let's go in here and see what is going on. And like we talked about it before, I believe this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down into A, followed by an ABC on the upside into wave B. And if our move down is not over, I think there is a good chance we may have 5 down, sure, but on a higher degree into a wave 1, and then this might be a correction for wave 2, and we may see soon another move down into wave 3, 4, 5. And I want to be very clear, this is not a bad sign at all. In fact, if we see all the right sub waves after this 5 wave is over, for example, if we see a 5 wave up followed by a consolidation pattern, right in here can be a beautiful long and buy opportunity for us in Near Protocol. However, for now, I think our move down might continue a little bit. And by the way, I forgot to tell you this, in the short term, I think we do have an impulse on the upside, which means this might be the beginning of a move, and I believe we may have an ABC zigzag. So what's the point that I'm trying to make? I'm trying to tell you, even if you see another move up, I need you to not be overwhelmingly optimistic, because on a higher degree, these might be the subwaves for an ABC zigzag. And if we are bearish, then okay, from here, we're going to have a move down in order to take the low of our B leg. And that will probably confirm that we are having a correction and our move down is not over. On the other hand, if I'm right and you want to be bullish in Near Protocol, okay, after this move on the upside, something like this, what you want to see is a consolidation pattern and then another move up in order to take this important high, about $3.2. Why? Because if we do take this high, at that point, we kind of have to say this was an ABC, but the end of our C leg is right in here. And that means, well, the low of our correction in Near most likely is end. And who knows, maybe in the next phase up, we are going to finally get a break of this important region between 3.4 to about $3.6. That can happen, but right now we shouldn't be 100% counting on it. So I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Near Protocol. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.